Hey Siri, yo mama's so fat, when she got hit by a bus, she asked, who threw that rock?
Your mom is so old. When someone told her to act her age, she died.
Yo mama's so dumb, she stared at orange juice for 12 hours because it said concentrate.
Your mom is so stupid. When a burglar broke into her house and stole the TV, she chased after him shouting, "You forgot the remote."
Yo mama's so poor, she can't even pay attention.
Your mom is so fat. She makes Humpty Dumpty look like a bodybuilder. Your mom is so poor. When I jumped in a puddle, she said, "What are you doing in my bathtub?"
Wait, you can jump?
Your mom is so fat. She sat on a dollar bill, and when she got up, there was 4 quarters.
Okay, we're done.
Just like your mama after she eats Taco Bell.
Like the video if I won.
No, subscribe if I won.